So today we will study lesson 10 Microsoft Word 2010 part 3. So today we'll study that how we delete a cell. So it is very simple to delete the cell. First of all, you have to select the cell that you want to delete by clicking its left edge. So on its left edge you have to click, that cell will be selected, highlighted. Now under the table tools you will find the layout tab. So under the table tool you will find the layout tab. So in the rows and columns group, in the rows and column groups, you'll find the delete button. As you can see here, in the rows and column group, you'll find the delete button, and then select the delete cell options from the drop down menu. So the delete cell dialog box will appear. Now it will display a list of options. So what the options you get? Shift cells left. So delete the selected cell and shift the following cells to the left. Shift cell up. So this will delete the cells and move the remaining cell in that column up by one row. Now a new blank cell automatically added at the bottom of the column. So delete the entire row. This will delete the entire row that contains the selected cell. Or delete entire column. This will delete the entire column that contains the selected cell. Now how you delete a row or column? See, all these are the options. Delete cell, delete column, delete row, delete table. So deleting a row and column, first you have to select the row or column that you want to delete. So again click on the layout tab. In the rows and columns group you have to go. There you find the delete option, this button. Select the delete rows or delete cell, delete rows or delete column. So see, delete column is here, delete row is here. So any of one option you have, you can select. If you want to delete the row, entire row, select the delete row. If you want to delete the entire column, select delete column. Now let us delete the rows and columns that you have inserted later in your table. After deleting the desired number of rows and columns, you will get the following output. See here, these two columns you have added here. Now this you want to delete. So first select this column by clicking on the column header here. This column will be selected. Now select the option. Go in the layout tab, and there in the rows and columns group you'll find the delete option. Click on this drop down list and you'll find the delete column. Select, click on it. Now see, these two columns is deleted. Now there you're finding only 1 2 3 4 columns. Now the third column is deleted. So you can see the table after deleting column. Now auto formatting a table. So how you auto format a table? Means formatting controls the appearance of text in a document. That how your text will appear in the document, means it's design. So you have to select the design tab under the table tools. Contextual tab controls the overall appearance of a table. So table styles is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, color and the border of a table. So the table which you have drawn on your document, its appearance, its color and the border, if you want to change, so you have to use the table style option. And this table style options include borders around the cells and even fill color in the cells also. Now as you can see, this is the table style group. In this this is are the different table styles you can select. Now see how we use this table style. Click anywhere inside the table to select it. Now click on the design tab, go in the table style group, hover the pointer over each table style and observe its effect on your table. Now select any style of your choice. So there I have shown you, you have to select any style. Now you will see the appearance of the table content on the screen like this. Next is the how we add the borders and shading. So to enhance the appearance of a table, you can add a variety of borders to it. You can adopt the following steps. Select the entire table, click on the design tab, click the drop down arrow next to the borders button in the table style group. Select the borders and shading option from the drop down list. See, you have to first select the entire table. Now go on the design tab. Now click the drop down arrow next to the borders button. So there you'll find under the design tab border button in the table style group. Select the border and shading option from the drop down list. So here border and shading options. So when you click on this border and shading option from the drop down list, so border and shading dialog box, this will appear on the screen. Choose all options under the setting action. So select the style of the line from the style drop down list. Here different lines are there. You have to select any line. Width from the drop down list, you can select the width also for the line. See, this is the width and this is the color for the line. Now click on the shading tab and select the desired colors from the color palette under the fill section. So there is a shading tab. You can use this shading tab. This is the border. This is the page border. So page border for setting the page border. This border for table border. Now go on the fill section. Click on OK. Click on OK and observe the change in the appearance of the table. These are the different borders also that you can add. See, bottom border, top border, left border, right border, whichever the border you want to add to your table. So now we move to the next. How we merge and split the cells. We can also apply the color effects to our table by selecting it and clicking on the shading button present in the paragraph group. With the help of that, you can apply the color effects. Merging and splitting cells. See how we merge more than one cell into a single cell. Merging means to combine cells. To combine two cells into a single cell. In Microsoft Word, you can merge multiple adjacent cells into a single cell, but all those cells should be adjacent. Using the merge cell command. Select the cell that you want to merge. Click on the layout tab. Now select the merge cell button in the merge group. You'll find the merge cell button. See on the left hand side is the merge group. There you find the merge cell option. Or right click on the selected cells, select the merge cell option from the shortcut menu. The data gets combined into a single cell. Now here select the cells containing the fields ID and gender. Here ID and gender both is selected. Two fields. Now making a right click after selection, see there is the option merge cell. Now see the gender and ID both combined into a single cell. See ID and gender now both appear in the single cell. Here two cells are merged. This is called the merge cell. Here the two cells are in different cells. Two ID and gender both are in different cell. Now here after merging both is appearing in the single cell. Now splitting the cells is the reverse process of merging. It's called the splitting the cells. It means divide the cells into divide a single cell into more than one cell. Splitting means dividing the cell or cells further into separate cells. Select the cells that you want to split. Suppose the reverse process, this ID and gender you want to split. Go on the layout tab, select the split cells button in the merge group. There you find here's the split cells or split table. So split cells. You will get the split cell dialog box. Enter the number of rows and columns. Means into how many rows and columns you want to split the selected cells. Click on OK. Here, see the number of columns 2 and number of row 1. In one row and two columns, you want to split that single cell. And click on OK. Now that will be splitted. As you can see here. Now this merge cell is splitted in the two columns. One row and two columns again. This is the reverse process. So to split one table into two tables, you must take the following actions. We can split one table into two tables also. Select the row of the table that you want as the first row of the second table. Click on the layout tab. Click on the split table button in the merge group. Now that will do for you. Now you can also perform the calculations on the table. So Word provides the features to calculate the sum of the values. That is within a table. Let us learn how to perform that calculations. We create a table with the data entries. We click in the empty cells where we want the calculated value to appear. Now we click on the formula button in the data group. There is the formula button in the data group you find on the layout tab. The formula dialog box will appear. By default, the sum formula will appear in the formula field. So you can also change the formula manually by clicking on OK and click on OK. You can change this formula. The computer result will appear in the selected cell. So you can also insert a new cell, a row or column in a table using the keyboard. Press the cursor in a table cell, press the menu key in the keyboard. A shortcut menu opens, select insert option. A cascading menu appears, select the desired option from it. By default, Microsoft Word calculates the sum of values in the cells lying in the column above or in the row to the left. So this word calculates the sum of values in the cells lying in the column, all cells which is lying in the column above or in the row to the left. Above cells or to the left of the cells will calculate. Converting the table to text. See how you convert a table into a text. If a table is needed in the form of text without grid, you have to follow these steps. Place the cursor in any of the table cell. Now on the layout tab, click on the convert to text option in the data group. So that table content will be converted to text, table will be removed. The convert table to text dialog box will open, and this will give us the choices to convert the table to text. Means separate text with paragraph marks or tabs mark. Space, if suppose in your text there is 4 spaces, means 4 columns will be created. So select the tabs option and observe the change. Click on OK. So now how we convert the text to a table. Again, similarly, select the desired text which you want to convert into a table format. Go on the insert tab in the tables group. You find click on the table button. So uh, now select the convert text to table option here. It will find it will display convert table to text. See here. So the convert text to table dialog box will appear. Now under the table size section, see under the table size sections, it will ask you how many columns you want to add. So in the number of columns, specify the number of columns. In the autofit behavior section, select any one of the suitable options. Choose the tabs radio button in the separate text at section. So just tabs the radio button in the separate text at the section, click on OK. So see the separate text at what? Paragraph, column or tabs. So here the tabs means where the spaces are there. Click on OK. So what will automatically arrange our converted arrange or convert the selected text into a table format as per our requirement. Now this is the activity that you can do at your home. If you have the computer and you can come in the school in the lab, you can do it. Now using word art option. So see this word art features allows us to create a special text effects. See different text effects are there. These text effects you can apply on your document. It gives a unique look to the text. Using word art, you can create decorative text. See the word art, you can write the text in a curve manner, such as curved, wavy, shadow, or three-dimensional characters you can write. Select the text on which you wish to apply the word art effect. First, select the text, click on the insert tab, select the word art option, and choose the desired effect. It displays the list of word art gallery. So what will automatically create a text box for your text and apply the style to that text. How applying effects to the word art text. Select the word art text, the format tab appears on the ribbon automatically. Click on the text effects button. So in the word styles group, a drop down menu will appear displaying the various effect categories. Like this various effect you will find. A drop down menu will appear displaying the various effect categories. Place the pointer on the glow option. See, this is the glow option in the drop down menu and select the desired glow effect from the sub menu. The effect will be applied to your text which you have selected. You can also edit any word or text by right clicking on it. The shortcut menu will appear and you can select the edit text option. Now you can see here, this is the formatting word or text, that how you format the word or text. First you have to select the word or text and you have to click on the format tab. Various formatting commands will appear in their respective groups that you can see it here. Here the insert shapes and here the change styles and here all these are the text related. Here see the different word arts. So see the first one, edit shape. This is for the editing shape. If you want to do the editing in the shape, this provides various options to mold the selected word or text into a shape. Second is the, see this is the shape fill. This will fill the selected word or text shape with a solid color, gradient, picture or texture. Third one, see this is the text fill option. This is the text fill. It will fill the text with solid color, gradient, picture or texture. Fourth one is the shape outline. So it will changes the color. This is the shape outline. It will changes the color of the outline of the selected word or text. Here is the text outline. It specifies the color width and the line style for the outline of the text. Next is the C. This is the text effects. So number 6, you can see the text effects here. This is the text effects option. It will allow you to apply the visual effects such as shadow, glow, reflection, transform, or 3D rotation, etc. You can apply on the text. Seventh is the shape effects. It allows you to apply the visual effects such as shadow, glow, reflection, transform to the selected shape. Text direction changes the orientation of the text to the vertical or horizontal or rotate it to the desired direction. So to click on it, the text will rotate in this. So this is align. Align will aligns the selected objects word art text to the left, right, center. So if you click one time, it will go to the right, center and right, or distribute them evenly across the page. Now see aligns text. So aligns the word or text to top, middle or bottom. So this does the vertical alignment, the text to the top, middle or bottom. Rotate allows you to rotate the word or text on a page. Position places the word or object as per the chosen option on the page. Like the image will appear on the top right corner. Wrap text wraps the text around the selected word art object according to the chosen option. So text may be in the middle and all around it the picture will be in the middle and all around will be the text included. Now you can track your changes also, what the modification you have done in your document. If you want to uh, revisit the changes, so you can you have to turn on this option tracking changes. So how you enable this track changes feature? So first you open the document which you want to revise, select the review tab. Go in the review tab, you'll find in the track changes button in the tracking group. So this is the tracking group. In this you'll find the track changes button. Click on this, make the changes you want. So tracking is on. Make the changes you want by inserting, deleting, moving text or by adding graphics. So after that, now to accept the changes or reject the changes. So what you have done, go in the review tab. You'll find the accept and reject option in the changes group. If you want to accept the changes, click on the underline change. So select the accept button if you want to incorporate the changes in the document what you have done, else click on the reject button. So you will restore your previous work from where you have started. While rejecting the last change, Microsoft Word prompts a message. The document contains no comments or track changes. Click on OK. So these words also allow you to add a track changes indicator on the status bar. So right click in the blank area on the status bar and select the track changes option from the shortcut menu. Now you can see the track changes on indicator on the status bar. Clicking on this indicator, you can turn on or off the track changes feature right from the status bar also. Shortcut key also you can use to turn on the track changes, Control plus Shift plus E. So once you turn off the track changes features, what stops tracking any further changes, whereas it does not remove the changes that have been already tracked. These vertical bars what you are seeing means that some changes have been done in the corresponding lines of text. So here in this 1, 2, 3 lines some changes you have done. So this vertical line shows you that some changes have been done in the given group of lines. So any piece of text which is modified will appear in the different color. So here you have done the modification in this line. So how you review your comments? So Microsoft Word uses comments in a document when sharing it with someone else. So when you are sharing, you can add the comments in the document. They are generally used when multiple users are working on a single document. So everyone is writing their comment so that it helps the others to read the document. Users can add or delete the comments with a view to improve the content or layout of the document. So how you add the comments in the Word document? Let us learn how we can add comments in a Word document. We select or click on the text as you want to comment. Click on the review tab. So select the text on which you want to add the comment. In the comments group, you'll find the new comment button. Click on the new comment button. You'll find the text space in the right side to insert your document, to insert your comment. So just type your comment and leave it as it is. You can even format the comment in the comment box with the bold italics and underline to highlight the important comments. Now to review the multiple comments in the document, you can move from one comment to another by simple clicking on the particular comment or by selecting the previous button or next button in the comment group. So select a comment box in the document. So click on the next button in the comments group. The cursor will move to the next comment box in the document. Similarly, to move to the previous, you can click on the previous button in the comments group. How you delete a comment? So as the text or layout of the document keeps on changing, sometimes it becomes necessary to remove a comment also. So you can delete that comments. How you delete? Click on the comment you want to delete. Click on the review tab and select the delete button present in the comment group. So in the comment group, click on delete button, it will be deleted. Or right click on the comment you want to delete and the context menu will open, shortcut menu will open. There you find the delete comment option. Click on it. It will be deleted. So this is all for the today students. In the next class, we'll start the new lesson 11, Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.